Hi everyone, this is Vivek and welcome you all to my channel. It's really nice meeting guys after a long time, and today we are going to see about this design. So its name is Numbers and I'm going to take you guys from the basic level. I'll let you know guys what are the materials needed: paint, paintbrush, scissors, blade, masking tape or painter's tape. So using these materials you can easily finish any type of design. So let's get directly into the work now without wasting the time. So let's rock it on. Design came really well and output is really stunning. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon on next video. Guys, don't forget you can use any type of grade paints from low grade to high grade paints. There is no specific reason that you have to use this type of paints. It's really depending on you, and the creativity of yours is the main game playing here. So rock it on guys.